Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Food Fact for You, the channel where we explore all things delicious and nutritious. And today we're diving into a topic that's sure to pique your interest: 5 foods that you should never eat. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty content. Now, let's jump right in. First up on our list is processed meats. While they may be convenient, these meats are often loaded with preservatives, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Studies have linked consumption of processed meats to an increased risk of heart disease, cancer, and other health issues. Instead of reaching for processed meats, opt for lean protein sources like grilled chicken, fish, or tofu. Your body will thank you. Next on our list are sugary drinks. Whether it's soda, fruit juice, or energy drinks, these beverages are packed with added sugars that can wreak havoc on your health. Excessive sugar consumption is linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even dental problems. Instead of sugary drinks, try infusing your water with fresh fruits or herbs for a delicious and hydrating alternative. Your body will thank you for staying hydrated without all the added sugar. Now, let's talk about trans fats. These artificial fats are commonly found in processed foods, like cookies, crackers, and fried foods. Trans fats not only raise bad cholesterol levels, but also lower good cholesterol, increasing your risk of heart disease. Instead of reaching for snacks loaded with trans fats, try making your own healthier versions at home using ingredients like nuts, seeds, and whole grains. It's a tasty way to satisfy your cravings without compromising your health. Up next, we have refined carbohydrates. Foods like white bread, pasta, and pastries are stripped of their nutrients during processing, leaving behind empty calories that can spike your blood sugar levels. Instead of refined carbs, opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. These nutritious alternatives provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals to keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. Let's talk about artificial sweeteners. While they may seem like a healthier alternative to sugar, studies have shown that artificial sweeteners can disrupt your body's natural hunger cues and may even lead to weight gain. Instead of artificial sweeteners, satisfy your sweet tooth with naturally sweet foods like fruits, dates, or a drizzle of honey. Your taste buds will thank you for the delicious upgrade. And there you have it, foodies. 5 foods that you should never eat. By making smarter choices and opting for whole, nutritious foods, you can nourish your body and enjoy a healthier, happier lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow food lovers. And remember to subscribe to Food Fact for You for more tasty tips and recipes. Until next time, happy and healthy eating.